What's up, team? Teacher Leandrino here. Let's unlock a super useful word today, performed. You know when you do something, complete a task, or act on a stage? That's it. Let's see how to use it and shine in English. Performed. Performed. Performed é o passado de perform. Significa que algo foi realizado, executado ou apresentado. Pense em uma tarefa, uma peça ou um show. That cheerful teacher performed the role play. That cheerful teacher performed the role play. He performed those actions instead of just chatting. He performed those actions instead of just chatting. The steadfast teacher thoroughly performed those tough actions for them. That's it, guys. Performed is in the bag. Remember, it's simple past, so the action is finished, okay? And it's not just for shows. You can perform a task or perform while on a test. Keep practicing, and you'll become a star. See ya!